Notan is a Japanese design concept involving a balance between light and dark areas in a composition. It is also an art form involving the cutting of paper and positive and negative space. In today's lesson, we will explore two elements of art, value and space. Typically, artists begin with black and white paper. Black is the darkest value and white is the lightest. From this paper, we cut out shapes to create a unique composition, while at the same time creating a fun play between light and dark values, as well as positive and negative space. You can use whatever paper you have on hand, as long as one piece is light and the other is dark. Now let's create a simple Notan composition. This activity is called expanding the square. To start, take one sheet of light paper and one dark. One piece of paper needs to be large and the other small. For me, I had printer paper at home. Out of the white paper, I cut a large 8-inch square. Out of the dark paper, I cut 4 4-inch squares. I only need one large and one small square, so the other small squares can be saved for another project. Place the small paper in the center of the large paper and then lightly mark the corners with a pencil. After that, cut a shape out of one side. Make sure not to cut all the way to the corners and not all the way across the center of the square. Your cut should start and stop on the same side of the square. Now, cut another shape out of the 3 remaining sides. Same rules apply. Do not cut off the corners. Do not cut all the way across the square. A cut should start and stop on the same side. Glue the main green piece down in the center of the large sheet. You can use white glue or a glue stick. Use the pencil marks to help you get it in the center. This piece is your frame. Take care to glue the edges down. Next, take the 4 pieces you cut out of the sides and fit them into the frame as if they were puzzle pieces. It can be tricky with some pieces to get them just right. Keep flipping and rotating until they fit perfectly. Now, choose one puzzle piece to start with. Ask yourself, does it fit? If not, try again until it does. If it does fit, put glue on the top. This is important. You put glue on the side facing up when it's fit into the frame like a puzzle piece. Now, flip like a door. Just flip it right over onto the background paper as if the little piece is a little door and you are opening it on its hinges. Lay it down on the paper adjacent to its cut-out negative space. Adjust until it's lined up nicely and smooth it down. Continue around the frame, one shape at a time. Remember, put glue on the top, flip it like a door. Put glue on the top, flip it like a door. Put glue on the top, flip it like a door. Are you ready for a more complicated composition? Okay, here goes. Start again with 2 sheets of paper, one large square and one small square. Center the small square on the large square and mark its corners with a pencil. Again, cut out 4 shapes, one from each side. Glue down the frame. Remember, we are making a more complex Notan, so each piece will need a second level of detail. Choose one shape to add a second level to. Cut a new shape out of the first old shape. Remember to cut only from the original edge of the square. Your cut should start and stop on the same side. Then fit those pieces together like a puzzle. Put glue on the top of the piece touching the frame. Flip it like a door. Fit the new piece in like a puzzle piece. Put glue on top. Flip it like a door. Now you are ready to move on to the next piece. Cut a new shape out of the old shape. Fit them together like a puzzle. On the piece touching the frame, put glue on top. Flip it like a door. Fit the new piece in like a puzzle piece. Put glue on top. Flip it like a door. Continue around the square. Cut a new shape out of the old shape. Put the pieces together. On the old piece touching the frame, put glue on top. Flip it like a door. Fit the new piece in like a puzzle piece. Put glue on top. Flip it like a door. Continue to the last part of your square. Cut a new shape out of the old shape. Put the pieces together like puzzle pieces. On the old piece touching the frame, put glue on top. Flip it like a door. Fit the new piece in like a puzzle piece. Put glue on top. Flip it like a door. You did it! When you're ready for another challenge, take your artwork to the next level. Instead of 2 shapes from each side of the square, try 3 or 4. Start simple, 1 shape from each side. But remember, when you're ready for adding new levels of complexity, do only 1 side of the square at a time. Finish that side of the square before you move on. Put glue on top. Flip it like a door. Put glue on top. Flip it like a door. Put glue on top. Flip it like a door. Perhaps you can create a theme with your Notan. What ideas can you come up with? I can't wait to see what you accomplish.